Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about the periodic classification of elements. Now, in modern periodic table, there are 118 elements are located. They contain S block, P block, D block and F block. In ancient period, there was less number of elements are identified. How are they classified? What was the classification? Many scientists classified the elements on their own scientific view. Come on, let's see the periodic classification of elements. Before create modern periodic table, there are 6 types of classification of elements. First one, Lavoisier classification. Second one, Dobereiner classification. Third one, Chern-Kortais classification. Fourth one, Newland classification. Fifth one, Mendeleev classification. And last one, Moseley classification. The first one, Antoine Lavoisier classification. Lavoisier classified the elements into 4 groups, namely acid-making elements, gas-like elements, metallic elements, and earthy elements. Acid-making elements are sulfur, phosphorus, and carbon. Sulfur makes sulfuric acid, phosphor makes phosphorus and phosphoric acids, and carbon makes carbonic acids. So they are called acid making elements. Gas like elements are oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen, etc. Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen all are gases. So they are called gas like elements. Metallic elements, silver, gold, cobalt, mercury, all are metallic elements. And finally, earthy elements. Calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminum oxide and silicon dioxide, all are called earthy elements. Mostly they are existing in earth crust, so they are called earthy elements. The second one is Dobereiner classification. He was a German chemist. In 1817, Dobereiner classified some elements such as chlorine, bromine, and iodine with similar chemical properties into the group of 3 elements called as triad. This is also called law of triad. In triad, the atomic weight of the middle element is nearly equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic weight of the remaining 2 elements. Here, the middle element is sodium. The atomic weight of sodium is 23. Then, the average atomic weight of lithium and potassium is 23. It is equal to the atomic weight of sodium. So, the middle element, the atomic weight of the middle element is nearly equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic weight of the remaining 2 elements. For another example, chlorine, bromine, iodine are triads. Here, atomic weight of bromine is equal to average atomic weight of chlorine and iodine. Similarly, the last example, strontium, the atomic weight of strontium is equal to the average atomic weight of calcium and barium. The third one is Chern-Kortais classification. He was a French chemist. He classified the elements based on the correlation between the properties of the elements and their atomic weights. There is a relation between properties of the elements and their atomic weights. The fourth one is Newland classification. Newland was a British chemist. Newland classification is also called law of octaves. It says, and arranging the elements in the increasing order of the atomic weight, he observed that the properties of every eighth element are similar to the properties of the first element. Here, lithium is a first element, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, fluorine 7, sodium is 8th element. So, the 8th element, sodium, is similar to the properties of the first element, lithium. Similarly, potassium is a 8th element of the group. Potassium is similar to the properties of the first element of lithium and sodium. So, in every group, every 8th elements are similar to the properties of the first element. This is called law of octaves by Newland. The fifth one is Mendeleev's classification. He was a Russian chemist. He has classified more than 70 elements in his classification. Mendeleev's classification is also called periodic law. The law says the physical and chemical properties of the elements are arranged in their atomic weight. Once again repeat. The physical and chemical properties of elements are arranged in their atomic weight. The last classification is Moseley classification. Moseley was a British chemist. Moseley's classification is also called modern periodic law. The law says the physical and chemical properties of elements are arranged in their atomic number. Once again repeat. The physical and chemical properties of elements are arranged in their atomic number. Before that, all the 5 classification, the elements are arranged in their atomic weight. But in Moseley classification, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are arranged in their atomic number. This is a modern periodic table. There are 118 elements are located. They contain 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. Later, we will see the brief discussion. The modern periodic table is based on Moseley's classification. That is, elements, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are arranged in their atomic number. That's all. Thank you.